Mike with It's Alive in St. Louis, coming to you from behind the wheel of a 1953 Jaguar XK120 SE fixed head coupe. Horn works. This car actually comes to us on consignment from a very good customer of ours in Pennsylvania. A lifelong aficionado of everything gas and oil, and a career car collector. The SE specification on the XK120 actually is a factory abbreviation for Special Equipment Package. The SE cars actually were fitted with competition-focused, higher duration camshafts and better porting on the heads that furthermore boosted the XK's 3.4-liter output from 160 brake horsepower up to 180. What makes this particular car so unique and so special is as if this car's spec originally wasn't special enough, our consignor, after acquiring the car from us, proceeded with close to $90,000 in documented upgrades. Virtually every single aspect of this car has been enhanced well above what the standards were back in 1953 when this car would have left the Coventry Works. What does close to $90,000 worth of upgrades buy you in an XK120? Well, for starters, it buys you the upgraded gearbox, the Tremec 5-speed, with direct and crisp shifts utilizing modern technology that is still completely reversible. And furthermore, the numbers matching original 4-speed Moss box is available and can be shipped to the new owner directly from the consignor's residence in Pennsylvania. With the driver engagement that much more pronounced and apparent with the Tremec 5-speed. One of the things that accentuates that so well is this polished stainless steel exhaust systems from our friends at Classic Fabs in Scotland. Now, while the XK120 came standard with 4-wheel drum brakes, this car has also undergone a front disc brake conversion, bringing it up to the braking standards of the XK140. The aluminum radiator is aided by an electric cooling fan, which does a great job of keeping the engine at the optimal temperature range, even on a 90+ degree day here in St. Louis. Currently, we've been behind the wheel for about 25 minutes, and temperature is just a smidge over 80 degrees Celsius. pressure, moving along at about 3,200 RPM, just over 40 miles an hour, 40 PSI. Now, as if the Tremec 5-speed, the disc brake conversion, the aluminum radiator, and the Classic Fab's polished stainless steel twin pipe exhaust system wasn't enough, our consignor also optioned to convert this car to electronic fuel injection. The original numbers matching cylinder head and block has been fitted with Jenvey Dynamics individual throttle body EFI, which is powered by control units, sensors, and modules sourced from our friends at Emerald ECU, also in the UK. Those familiar or experienced with XK120 Jaguars in the drop head coupe and the fixed head coupe configuration will tell you that they were not designed for someone over, say, 5'10". The reason why I'm able to sit as comfortably as I am right now is because of some additional refinements on the interior. Specifically, this stunning 15-inch Motolita 4-spoke wood rim steering wheel, which still utilizes the original integrated trafficator with the manette horn button. The pedal assembly has actually been moved about 6 inches forward than it was on the original design through a custom-made pedal box. And furthermore, all 3 pedals are actually an aftermarket floor-mounted race car design. So there you have it. An XK120 SE that probably represents the best value on the market. Our next owner will have the opportunity to acquire this car at a fraction of what has been invested in it. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna get back to driving. This Jaguar XK120 or any of the other classics in our inventory, be sure to visit us at itsaliveauto.com or give us a call, 314-710-6600. Until next time, my name is Mike Dyer. Best regards. Happy motoring. Almost ate a crow.